Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about Gaahleri and their new 10 metallic colors that are now released in paint pens. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. As I said, we are going to take a look at beautiful, brand new Gaahleri water-based acrylic paint markers. Now Mike, why are you looking at paint markers, you slacker? You got paint brushes, you got paint, put it in your wet palette and paint. Well, in all honesty, paint pens or paint markers have an advantage in doing a job and letting you do a lot of neat stuff really quick. And I like paint markers. I like them a lot. If you guys, at the end of the video, if you're interested in this product, Gaahleri also just stepped up. They were only releasing it in this 10-pack. Now they're releasing it in 2-packs. So my link to the Gaahleri website and a discount code are down in the description down below. But I personally like paint pens or paint markers for several reasons. And most of the time you might see a silver metallic, but you don't usually see the golds or the bronzes in a metallic paint pen. And there's a lot of nice colors in this one. Get it to where it can actually see it there. You got aluminum, stainless steel, dark steel, zirconium black, red copper, scorched gold, and flashy gold. So there's a lot of good colors in there. This is only metallic. It's not white, it's black. Well, there is zirconium black, but it's not your normal generic paint pen set that you would see out on the market. These are definitely well colored. I love the caps, easy to see. If I put it in my rack up here and have it, well, it's not the right spot for it, but if I were to put it up here in my rack, I could see the tip of the pen and go to work. Grab what I need. But also they put the coloring down here. But paint markers, why would you use them? Why would we use them? Well, honestly, straight edging is really nice with a paint marker. And getting into hard to reach spaces is great with a paint marker. Now, what's a hard to reach space, Mike? Why do you say hard to reach space? Well, sometimes spaces just aren't easy, but also a paint pen can be great for our younger users to let them also get into the hobby without a big old mess. And let's be honest, sometimes even myself, I'm bad about cleaning my brushes. So a paint marker removes all of that from the market. So you can hear me shaking it up, shake, 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 shake it up. Always shake it up. We'll get the paint pen out. You guys can see, very nice felt tip, very nice point. That's always kind of something that you don't see a lot. They kind of do that scooped edge point so you can do a wide line. These guys want you to have a narrow line and be able to do it really easy. This is the flashy gold. Now, one of the things I didn't get, we'll just use this as a piece of paper to go tappy tappy on, because basically, and I love this. This was a great idea. The instructions are under the lid, on the box, how to get your paint pen, how to make the paint. We must make the paint flow. You don't want to go just smashing down on it because that'll ruin the tip. And there is our paint. Now, I'm just kind of playing around for the moment, so I'm going to take this, I think it's the Hell Blaster, from my Warhound Titan and just play with some edge work. This flashy gold right on top of black. And it's a really nice, oh wow, actually, that is a really, really nice color. Comes out a little fast, for my liking. But for a base coat on a thin raised line, you guys can see where the paint marker has an advantageous for edging. And what's cool too is you can easily just take a ruler and create a nice straight line real fast with this paint pen. But you guys can see I'm just laying that trim line down real quick. Now, could I easily do this quickly with a paintbrush? Yes. But honestly, paint pen, paint markers, do. And Gaahleri, just as I said, just released these in 2-packs as well, so you can easily get a refill of your paint colors. But guys, that's their flashy gold. And just laying down on top of black, of all things, that's laying down a great color. I think I think we have a winner with these. I love that I can go thin, I can go thick. Just kind of depends on how hard I work with it. But also coming into things like this, the skull, getting up along the edges of it is really easy with the paint pen. So it's great for getting in tight spaces, getting in there and filling stuff up. So these paint pens are definitely a good investment, because I mean, I even use colored pencils in my paint shop when I'm painting. I have the weathering pencils from Vallejo, all that kind of stuff, but I actually just use colored pencils more. So honestly, guys, these are worth having on your table. As you see me build, the Warhound Titan and even the upcoming Warlord Titan, these are going to be used. They're going to be used a lot. So I wanted to make sure we got a video out, we talked about this, and we showed our friends at Gaahleri some love, because these are great. Make sure you use my affiliate link down below to go out, take a look at these, take a look at your order, look at their awesome airbrushes and their compressors, because honestly, finding a good flashy bright gold and laying it down like that over black, good lord, that's a bright gold. That's almost retributor over white. So great looking colors, great choice of colors in the big pack, or you now have the 2-packs available to you out there to go and purchase. So if you're new here, you like little tips, quick videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join us. We're going to continue putting out and talking about other new products. We've got cool things from GSW, and you know, get ready for a model debut here coming up that we're going to be putting out on the Rise 3D Build Shop. So thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next video.